Hello, everyone. Welcome to Likhi Cookie Channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make super soft and yummy Gulab Jamun. Here are the ingredients you'll need: milk powder, maida flour, ghee, sugar, cardamom, and a little milk. Mixing the dough. First, let's mix milk powder, flour, and ghee. Then we'll add milk slowly to make a soft dough. Now, we'll shape the dough into small, round balls. Make sure they are smooth so they cook evenly. Time to fry. Gently drop the balls into hot oil on low flame. Fry them until golden brown. While they fry, let's make our syrup. Boil sugar, water, and a pinch of cardamom until it becomes slightly sticky. Now, soak the hot gulab jamuns in the warm syrup for at least 30 minutes so they absorb all the sweetness. And that's it! Soft, juicy, and delicious gulab jamun is ready. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Leaky Cookie. See you next time.